Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a hood latch that won't close Nissan Sentra. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and propping the hood open securely. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal and visually inspect the latch, striker, and release cable for damage or corrosion. Clean moving parts, apply lubricant, and adjust the striker alignment as needed until the latch closes and opens smoothly and safely. Warmly inspect the latch as if you were telling a friend what to look for. Try the hood release from inside to see if the cable pulls freely and returns without slack. Move the hood slightly while pulling the release to watch the latch engage and find where it binds. Note any misalignment, missing springs, or worn components so you know whether cleaning, adjustment, or replacement is required before proceeding to repairs. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful how-tos. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for playlists, voice timers, and calling out torque specs while you work on your Nissan Sentra. It fits neatly on a shelf or magnet tray. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Be methodical and patient when making repairs so you don't over-adjust. Loosen the striker bolts, move the striker slightly, then tighten and test the latch repeatedly until alignment feels right. Clean rust and old grease from the latch, apply a light penetrating lubricant, and check springs for proper return. If parts are damaged or the latch remains sticky, replace the cable or latch assembly and verify consistent operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.